What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and happy Sunday. Today is November 1st, and on this post, we're going to be talking about LINKUSD. I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice. I cannot tell the future. If you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I am not your guy. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market for us to get better in technical analysis. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They are still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a $100 USD deposit. And I will also receive bonus stocks upon your successful sign up. So I would truly appreciate that. Now, if you guys do have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, as I would not get to all the messages in my inbox. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I will keep you updated on my latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Now let's begin and take a look at some of the major market charts first, because that will affect how I would look at Link. Okay, so the first thing I would like to look at would be Bitcoin dominance, which is currently pulling back since the monthly close yesterday, which I had been speaking about as a possibility. Now, Bitcoin dominance is it's pulling back because it had touched and possibly got rejected at the monthly 21 moving average and the 50 monthly moving average, which is at about the 64% level. Now, when Bitcoin dominance is trending down, that is usually pretty good for the altcoins. I have talked about this too. And on if Bitcoin dominance is trending up, it's generally bad for the altcoins. Now, there are some exceptions. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about those exceptions right now. So Bitcoin right now is itself at the 14K resistance level. If you actually look at the monthly chart for Bitcoin, you guys can see that it had been forming this huge ascending triangle pattern, and now it's trying to break above that 14K level. Now, if Bitcoin actually breaks that 14K level as a real breakout, I would expect Bitcoin to run quite a bit. I think at least until 16K. That would be the next wake up from 14K. Okay, so in that sense, I think Bitcoin dominance will trend up again. Now, this is one of those scenarios where when Bitcoin dominance is trending up, this does not necessarily mean that the altcoins are trending down. It could possibly mean that altcoins are trailing the increase in Bitcoin. So both Bitcoin and altcoins are increasing, but altcoins are just not increasing as much as Bitcoin. Now, that is the best case scenario, in my opinion, for altcoins in total, in aggregate, when Bitcoin dominance is trending up. Now, obviously, if Bitcoin dominance is trending down, there are better scenarios where altcoins are making more of a increase than Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin itself, and the third thing I'm also going to be taking a look at would be total altcoin market cap, where if you guys actually look at the weekly chart on total altcoin market cap, which is total 2, we are still above the weekly 21 moving average, which in my opinion is still a good sign that we are in a uptrend. Even though we had quite a bit of a pullback for the last 2 months, if we still have a weekly candle above the weekly 21 simple moving average on total 2. So these 3 things, aside from the link chart itself, I will be keeping an eye out on. Now let's take a look at link chart itself. So currently on this weekly time frame, we have pulled back since we have reached all-time highs at about $20, and we have pulled back. We have bounced off the weekly 21 simple moving average, which gives me a sense that we are still in an uptrend, because we have been supported by this most recent moving average that I use, okay? The 21 simple moving average, which would be the most recent moving average that I use for measuring uptrends, okay? So we have bounced off of this. We have actually broken above one of the Fibonacci retracement levels, the 0.5, and now the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level is about 10.7. Okay, we have tried the 12.85 level, which will be the next Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, and we have gotten rejected, but I do expect us to be within these two fib levels for a little bit of time, because as you guys can see on the way down, we had the bears actually try to break this this next Fibonacci retracement level for quite some time. So one attempt, two attempts. So so that gives about a 2 weeks attempt to actually breaking this Fibonacci retracement level. So on the way back up, I would expect just as strong resistance as it was support coming back down. Now that's just my opinion. You let me know what you think. So this is the bullish case scenario. The bullish case scenario is that for the next week or two, we are going to be in between 10.75 to 10.85, 12.85, excuse me. So that is the bullish case scenario. Now it's also important to acknowledge the bearish case scenario, because I would like to know how I would react and not act emotionally if the bearish case scenario does happen, okay, even unexpectedly. So the bearish case scenario would be if we actually break below this Fibonacci retracement level again. I would be cautious. But if we actually get a weekly close below the 21 simple moving average, a weekly close, then I would say we are back in a we are no longer in a bullish trend. Okay, so that is my opinion. Getting a weekly close below the weekly 21 moving average, that is not a good sign for me. But an early warning level is that we actually get a weekly close below the Fibonacci retracement level here that we just broke back above. So this concludes my short analysis on Link. Please do let me know if you guys found this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, comments, agreements, disagreements, and I will see you guys next time.